It's bad enough that her husband put out the divorce like that, just days after they showcased love. She delivered for this Facebook. She delivered for this Facebook, which I'm not in support of. It's very bad. No matter the fame you want to get, no matter how much Facebook is paying you, you think everybody is happy that you have a husband that cares for you. Even if you people fight in secret and then showcase your love in public, there is no relationship that they don't fight. No one is perfect. So those of you who are coming and acting like you don't have problems in your relationship, or she's the one who is doing the worst, you people should take it easy on those two, because now small thing they make people commit suicide. Small thing. And though you blow them, if they don't make up their mind for something, or not go surprise. This Korra one, they tell say, no go apologize, no go apologize. If anything happened to that man, now the father of her kids, she go feel him, even if they are not together. At least the man is still coming and seeing the kids. You understand? If the relationship have come to the place where we say they no fit tolerate each other, they no fit stand each other, they always abuse each other, and then make the kids no grow up for abusive home, maybe it's best for them to divorce. But the way they are going about it is very wrong. They are supposed to talk amicably. You understand? Discuss amicably. Okay, we can't be together. Let us separate for the time being and watch and see how it's going to go, because we just had a new baby. And for the first daughter is not even up to 3 years, I guess. You understand? For the sake of the children, you people settle things amicably. We can't be together. We cannot marry because we are not compatible anymore. Okay, let us go our separate ways, but we are going to co-parent. We are going to do things well. But still, if you feel that you have wronged your partner, say sorry. It costs nothing to say sorry, even if you're making millions more than the man. It don't matter how much you're making from whatever you're doing. Your husband is still your husband. The father of your children is the father of your children. Respect. Respect is very important. What are you teaching your kids? If you cannot humble yourself, coming from a royal home, you're supposed to have some humility in you. I don't know what is royalty for you people. But to portray yourself as a royalty, but then you're coming out as something else. It doesn't, you know the balance. It don't make sense. No matter what you have gone through from your childhood that have made you become who you have become, why do you want to let people talk to you in that manner? Because this is social media. And putting everything you do up to the delivery. Up to the delivery of your child. You know, children are precious. Bringing a new life into the world, you want the whole world to watch you. There are evil eyes. There are evil people. You people did not go through that labor as if you were having issues. The man was not there complaining while you're having his baby. He supported you. So what happens all of a sudden? So my sister, go and apologize to your husband, even if you don't want to marry him again. Listen, go and say sorry to him. It costs nothing. Men love respect. As well, a woman wants to be loved, a man wants to be respected. When I see some of the videos, even the way there are signs, so many red flags that you don't really respect that boy that you're married to. You understand? You could say, oh, that's the way we joke, but no. A man is a man. He may just do it for the camera and support you, but behind he'll be feeling bad. Why is my wife embarrassing me in public? You know? So show good example, at least for the girls that you have. Teach them good things. You're a very beautiful lady, you're intelligent, you even wrote the book, baby books for little girls or little boys that parents will be reading to their kids. So you're a role model. What kind of example are you putting out there? Being smart is not all that is to this world. You can be smart in some areas, but in some areas, you now look like you're foolish because of you're listening to bad advice. Take advice, good ones, and throw the rest away. Say sorry to the man so that you people will live amicably. And remove out so that this thing will die off. Once you say sorry now, except you're just enjoying it, that people are bullying you, except you're enjoying it, that people are saying trash about you and about your marriage. You're not the first person where they get marriage issues. Not sure being who put you on outside now they see. Some of these girls who will come and tell you, don't apologize to him. Don't do that. Why did he put you outside like that? And he's the narcissist. Or you are the narcissist. Whatever people say, at the end of the day, the decision is left for you and Mr. Dean to settle. And for the sake of your children, do it. Do it so that, because as you they feel bad, those children are being affected. Children can feel when their mother and their father, they are having issues. When you're not in the right place emotionally, they feel it. Even that newborn baby is feeling you. The newborn baby especially is feeling you. They're both feeling you. They feel your bad vibe. They feel how you're emotionally down. They feel your tiredness. You could come out and dance for the camera for entertainment, but behind closed doors, you're crying, and those children are suffering it. So put pride aside. Put your ego aside. Go and settle with that man. Even if you people want to at last divorce, you can divorce. That is not a problem. Because you must not die into marriage. Even marriage itself, if it's not working, you go your separate ways. But do it with respect. Do it amicably. You understand? So that these children will not grow up and having emotional problem, having trauma from you two adults that don't know what you're doing. They did not choose to come to this world. Why do they have to be the ones? And especially that little baby, you just had a baby. That is the one that is just, I don't know. You understand? If it's not that, if it is that people were not married, it was just a fling, or you just want to have child for the man, and then after the child you say, okay, this man, I don't want you in my life, you can go your ways. It's a different case. It's a different ballgame, because already you had made up your mind that you're a single mom. But in this case, it's different. It's marriage. You've been together for some years now. Don't do that. And those of you who are bullying her, stop the bully. Stop tagging her when you're saying bad things. Stop tagging her when all you want to do is so that she could come and reply to you, because you want to feel like, yes, a celebrity have just replied me. Whether they reply you or not, they see you, okay? Once you tag them, they know. But stop. Stop all those clout chasing with another people's predicaments. And I want to use them, they make money. Posting non-stop, negative. You will talk good. The two things where you go talk fit, they good. The rest now bad. Make that woman, make them not go kill themselves because of honor. Wanna take them easy. If you are a blogger, be neutral in your blogging. Be neutral. If you want to come out as a motivational speaker, be also motivational, very, very motivational. If you want to come out that you want to give advice, don't give advice as if you hate the person, as if two of them are they fight, as if one are they drag the man. One need to do like that. You be married woman, you there for your husband's house, they enjoy. You and your husband go fight, on need to put on fast side. Nobody know, because if people know, they go still tell you, say, go and apologize. And you go there, but they worship on her husband. They worship on her own, but no one make another woman worship her own, because on one better pass people. One need to do like that. Some of them just marry, born picking as this Korra born. So, but they carry shoulder for up. They make her they feel like say the man no get right to ask for her to apologize. In a relationship, two wrongs cannot make a right. Do you understand? So stop telling her, don't apologize. It's very wrong. She has to. Whether she's wrong or right, she has to say sorry. For putting him through all that bullshit, for him to come out in public, she should say sorry. Sorry, I pushed you so hard. I never knew it would get to this. I'm sorry, my love. Like you call him. Or I'm sorry, daddy. Whatever. Okay? People should stop. You're enjoying your own. You don't want her to enjoy her own. You want to see her on the ground. You want her to experience the single motherhood too. Because you've been a single. Some of you that are saying this, you were condemning marriage all the time. But now you have married. You're coming to still condemn another person. Say, don't go and don't apologize. When you're bashing the man, think about it. He's still the father of her children. You're insulting those children. Those are innocent babies. Why do they have to go through all this? Wanna think and well. Why do they have to suffer for the sins of their parents? Even if you want to share their picture, try cover the children's face. We know they put it out there, but you as a blogger, try to cover some things. Because what you people are doing, if they do it to you, you will not like it. You won't. Wanna take them easy for this on our platform. And I go say who they listening to herself. Yes, but I go still see this video because on a not fit come gather they watch me. But on they check out my page. So I go listen to her. Man, they do like that. Korra fit they act like say she no need the man and all that. But you get where it's still they paying her. She go miss that man if the man really go. She go miss the man. Single motherhood no be play. Because some of them they sit on a single mother because they na one pikin on a get. Not gonna enter 2, 3 like me. So I'm gonna know what they talk about. Me, they raise 2 teenagers. It's not easy to get to that point where they can't be teenagers safe. It's not easy. Because that time they ask you question. They grow. They go ask you question. Which example you they set for them? That your husbands are supporting you, they don't care if you come naked, they don't care if you show your nyash to the whole world, doesn't mean they really like it though. They just want you to follow your passion. That is love. They want you, but you are embarrassing them. But because they love you so much, they pray that you change. They pray in secret that you change. Because that's what you've been doing before they met you and liked you. And approached you and married you. That's your style. So they cannot just say, oh, stop it. But when you're overdoing it, when you no longer see your family as a priority, when you're not having misplaced priorities, you don't have to put everything on Facebook. You're shopping, you're on Facebook. Yes, me, I do it. I cook on Facebook. I eat on Facebook. That is normal. But it's not every time. Sometimes have some privacy. It doesn't matter how much Facebook is paying you. Have some privacy. Okay? Think about your children. Will they like it when they grow up to see that everything about them is on social media? Will they like it? Do you think they'll be happy about that? Because right now, it's not about you alone. Your children's life are there. Have you asked yourself, this my daughter, this my son, that I am putting his face right from the pregnancy and everything. Do you think they will like it? I stopped putting my children, my boys, because they don't like it. I used to post them. I used to come to video with my children. But when I noticed that they avoid coming, I let them be. Don't force the children into that. Because when they are still little, they cannot speak for themselves. You are the parent, you do. But when they start to grow up, you will notice that these girls that you're putting everything about them, they will tell you, I don't want that. Even my little princess, that's only 3. She doesn't want to be coming to video with me. She go protest. So they may not like that kind of life. They don't have no privacy. Everybody see how their parents are displaying them on Facebook. Everybody see how their parents are quarreling on Facebook. Everybody see everything about them. What dignity are you preserving for those kids? Tomorrow when they go to school, other children will start bullying them because of your stupidity. Other children will start bullying your children in school because of how their parents have lived their life. Do you want those children to grow up to not have mental issues? Then stop putting everything about them on Facebook. Stop letting people who are bullying you bully them, because as they're bullying you, they're bullying your children. As they're bullying you, they're bullying your children. Which is what Nigerians that are doing presenting and blogging work, that's what they're all about. They don't care about other, even though they have children themselves, they don't care about your children. People should take it easy. If you are a mother, what you don't want somebody to do to your child, don't do it to another person's child. If you want her to have that, yes, she's putting that baby in the wrong pusher. Buy one and send to her. It's not expensive. Her address is there. People are giving her gifts. Buy for her and send it to her. And write your name. Then she will call you out since you're looking for recognition. She will now call your name. Say, thank you, this person. This person bought me this and I really need it. She will call you. She will appreciate you. Then people will start following your platform. You don't know how to chase clouds. You're bullying her, mocking her for not having the right tool for her baby. Is it not your people like you that are sending her presents? Why not buy and send to her? Even though it's second hand, send it. Because she needs it. Not be to come and bully her. Maybe they are not thinking, right? Their brain is not straight right now to even know what they need and what they don't. Because both of them, those two parents, those couple, they're emotionally down. Make them not go push them into something else. They're already depressed. Whether they admit it or not, they are going through a lot. So don't bully them. You have money, buy something and send to them. Buy for those children. You care about the kids, support them. It's not to be mocking somebody. Stop mocking people. Person husband die on a go mock him. Person marry on a go mock him. Now you people are mocking the man that he doesn't even have money. Whether he had money or not, a woman that will cheat on you will cheat on you. Okay? I see plenty of Igbo wives that will be say their husband give them everything, but yet they need to leave black men alone. They always look for a black man to sleep with. They will come here, come tell me, say, Oyibo did no big. But they born for this Oyibo then. Not before this Facebook, I talk those matters. Why not be like that? Ona go marry white man, but ona no go live black. Ona no see those our black brothers before ona go they marry Oyibo. Because ona want use the Oyibo get paper. Ona let the state here put say na love. Ona go dey Oyibo house, they treat the Oyibo like so Oyibo na house boy. Ona go dey waka pium from one club to another, looking for black man where ona go sleep with. And ona don't get children. And you expect say the man no be because ona not see Oyibo as human being, ona just see them as tools to use. Either to bring ona come abroad. So when ona don't get ona stay, ona begin misbehave. And some of them go still they misbehave and not they even seek for divorce. Or I go still date here. They inside the man house. Some of them they bring black pikin can't give the Oyibo self. Make una take them easy. They be human being. They feel. If they not be human being, they not go treat on as one. Okay? Because our people, when you marry, they say that one not married. You never marry. Oh. Make you, for this Holland here, when I come Holland new, my fellow women will marry Oyibo. They will tell me, say that one not be married. They still get black men. I go say, that's all I be. That's why a lot of them, I cut off from them, finish. But the ones who go come my house here, if they not cheat, then go fly, come here to come do music, but they want to cheat with black man under my nose. And then your husband give you tickets to come my place, come do music. Make una stop. If you don't love a man, leave him. But greed no go let una come out. Greediness no go let ona. Ona go dey there, they do bad things because ona know where ona put on her leg. Ona know where ona hold the man for work. Ona go dey misbehave. The man prick no reach you. But you dey born pikin for the man. If you prick no reach, how you can use they give you pikin? How use they give you children? I mean, another person children you carry can't give them. Another you go away get prick now you carry pikin can't give them. Or no they get sense. Tomorrow now they form big girls. Upon waiting them get they have money. Oh. They have money, they are rich. But prick no they let them. If you know say you like our black men, stay with them. No go they follow Oyibo. No go they because me will be here. As I know how they expose on our way that make on no go feel be friends with me. If you know say na black man prick you want to the fuck, stay for black man side. No go they use Oyibo because one day go enter there. I make some of them they kill our women. Not before this Facebook where Oyibo shoot the girl, shoot his daughter, join them. They gonna take them easy. Because na small thing they trigger all those kind of things. Small things, all those small waka, and I go they pretend. And I don't know say they count and they put for honor. And I don't know say they count and they put for honor. The man you go to deceive and say, if they record am for you. The day you go have him up to here. If he lose his mind, someone take him easy. Wanna take him easy. Life is precious. Nothing there for this life till they do pium 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 pium. Take him easy. Appreciate the thing you get. Be contented with the thing you get. Because at the end of the day, all these people where they clap for you, they encourage you. They go there, their own, they enjoy their life. They go there, they enjoy their life. They don't push you out there. They go say, no, welcome to Single Mothers Club. No. See, if to say my husband no die, me for the 18 years in marriage now. 18 years in marriage. If to say my organ no die. So, I know my story for this Facebook. And those of them always be accuse people too, say they don't kill their husbands. I don't hear those ones finish. The video still there on YouTube and I do. They accuse me, say, I kill Oyibo carry money. And I thank you and I do well. But I tell them, I say, if to say my organ no die, I for the 18 years in marriage. Because that man come out me from South of Africa, carry me come here. You understand? That's the father of my boys. Nice man. They love. When they love you, they love. The father of my daughter be say, I don't want, when I don't marry better man finish, will give me better life. He may not reach that standard. Now make I say, make we just be friends. They will get picking together. If they say now where you both die live, and if I don't carry black men full everywhere, the next picking one are for born and for black. When I take them easy, all these black men then go deceive you. So far you don't get Oyibo children. Except say the black man, he goes school small. He get brain small. Now he go fit appreciate you. And upon that, now you go as now you go find them. Now you go the cater for them. Because they believe say as you be Oyibo wife before you get money full everywhere. Don't be every Oyibo way get money. So if I not love them, if you only want no say na paper you won't carry you enter there, no go born picking join them. Just let them know say, I know sure say, I know sure say I won't stay with you for the rest of our life. But if you want give me paper, give me. If you don't want give me, make our come my way. Go marry black man. So that you go really dey happy. As na we are they find joy. Na for prick. Na prick they give on a joy. Kuku go marry black. We go give you better prick. Some of them will marry black self and still they cheat. And them be black man, no. But I will still cheat on that black man. So this thing now is about your upbringing. It's about you yourself if you get discipline. Some of them not fit stay without sex. You can't. When a husband go sleep on